Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all fit and fine at home. I am your Smita ma'am here with Standard 6 Social Science. Chapter 1. Students, take out your social science book, chapter 1. Students, in my previous class, I given you this timeline, prehistory, proto-history and history, and I hope you all completed that homework. So let's continue our lesson. Why do we study history? History is the study of the past. History is a continuous story of one event leading to another. The present cannot be understood without understanding the past. To know and fully understand the world we live in, we have to be aware of its past. Greek historian Herodotus is known as the father of history. See, this is the picture of Herodotus. He was the first person who collected materials in a systematic manner. He wrote about the Greek and Persian wars and the pyramids of students. Turn over the page. Pyramids of Egypt. He lived in the 5th century BCE. Herodotus provides much information concerning the nature of the world and the status of the sciences during his lifetime. He was the first historian and certainly the first to travel methodically around the known world in a bid to write more accurately. A study of the past gives us a sense of identity. It teaches us who we are and who our ancestors were. It makes us understand why we live, think, and act the way we do today. History is a great teacher. It helps us to make better decisions in the present and for the future. For example, we learn that war brings only destructions, so it must be avoided at all costs. We study history to understand more about our culture. It is helpful in giving the knowledge of continuous development of human culture and civilization. It also helps us to understand how the people of our country came together to form a nation. While some features of our past have continued till today, several others have changed. So, history also records the process of change that the past has gone through to save the present. It shows us the difference between the life of today and the life in previous years. Here is a question, students. What is the importance of history? Yes, answer is here. History is a great teacher. It helps us to make better decisions in the present and for the future. For example, we learn that war brings only destruction, so it must be avoided at all costs. Next is time frame in history. In my previous class, I told you history is generally divided into 3 time periods: prehistory, proto-history and history. So this is the time period. Now we'll discuss about prehistory. What is prehistory? The prehistory is the study of events that happened before humans learned to write. Therefore, there are no written records for this period. Only archaeology is the main source to know about this period. Archaeologists dig deep into the ground and dig out the remains of that period in the form of pots, tools, coins, bones, jewelry, toys, remains of buildings, which helps to understand prehistory. That is all about prehistory. Next is coming proto-history. What is proto-history? The proto-history period is the period when people learn to read and write. We find few written records of this period. And now history. What is history? History is a written account of events of the past. We have written records of this period. Manuscripts, inscriptions, etc. are the written evidences of this period. So student, this is a homework for you. Prepare a project report on the different time periods of history. Till then, bye bye students.